leave the area early on. We didn't have enough information. We also know that one person is unaccounted for, but the family's here, and we're keeping that person in our prayers. The areas that are closed right now will be Stefani and Gennard. So with that, we will be here all night, and I want to thank Chief Pena and commend them for their work. And here's Amy Peck.
We have Councilmember Peck joining us as well. Yes, sir.
Well, it's somebody that works there. The only reason I'm letting you know is I know that you guys will be interested in that, and the family.
That's needed. Thank you.
Have you been able to drive around, and what have you been seeing?
I've driven around the area. A lot of people are leaving their homes. We saw a lot of damage to homes, so please be safe out there. If you see, glass on the street or anything like that, please move away from those areas.
If you want to help, call your office,
Always call Red Cross, but we're here to connect people as well, so you can contact my office, 832-393-3010, or email us at districta@houstontx.gov.
Is there any Spanish? Any Spanish media?
Sí.
Go ahead, Chief.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Samuel Peña, soy el jefe de bomberos. Estoy aquí con mi colega, el jefe de policía, Art Acevedo, y el asistente Bainbridge y asistente Griffin aquí, también con la consilaria Amy.